Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be talking about the things that you'll need when you're heading to the UK for school. Alright, so you're heading to the UK and I know packing can feel like a bit of a headache, but don't worry, I've got you. I'm here to share the ultimate packing checklist so you won't forget anything important. So let's get to it. Okay, first things first, let's talk about your documents. You'll need your passport, student visa, offer letter, and any other important papers from your university. Keep those in your carry-on bag so you don't have to be digging through your luggage at customs. Next, clothing. Let's start with the essentials. Everyone needs a warm winter coat because it gets cold here. If you're from somewhere sunny, you might be surprised at how cold it gets in the UK. You also want to bring layers. Think about sweaters, hoodies, and jackets. You'll wear this a lot, especially if you're in a city where the weather changes by the hour. Next, comfortable shoes. You're going to walk more than you think. Campus, city center, wherever, you'll be on your feet. Last, pajamas, because let's face it, we all need good sleep. Okay, now if you're a guy, you'll probably need a few more casual t-shirts and maybe a couple of pairs of jeans or chinos for going out. If you're a girl, think about what you're comfortable in. For example, if you're the type who likes to dress up, pack a couple of smart outfits for interviews or events. If you're more casual, pack jeans, leggings, and a few dresses. And for all of you who'll be living in leggings, let's be real, you'll need plenty of those. Now let's talk beddings and household items. Some universities will provide bedding, but if yours doesn't, here's the stuff you'll need. First, beddings, pillowcases, duvet, and blankets. Next, towels. At least 2 bath towels, maybe a hand towel, and a laundry basket or bag. And trust me, it will pile up fast. And if you've got a kitchen, grab a mug, a kettle, and a few plates. Seriously, get a kettle. You'll be drinking tea all the time. Now, if you're someone who loves making your dorm feel more like home, pack a few little things like fairy lights or some comfortable throw pillows. It'll make a huge difference when you're settling in. Moving on to electronics. Everyone needs them, but here's where things get personal. If you're a gamer or someone who loves tech, don't forget your laptop, phone, headphones, and chargers. For gamers, make sure to bring your gaming console and any accessories you'll need. But don't forget that UK plug adapters are different from the plug that you have here. And if you're a content creator, you might want to bring a camera or mic or anything else for your channel or socials. And guys, don't forget your power banks. Trust me, it will save your life when you're on the go all day. Next, personal care stuff. You can't leave home without it. Pack your toothbrush and toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, soap, and get travel size bottles for the flight, just to last for a couple of days before you make your first grocery trip. Next, your favorite skincare products, and don't skip your sunscreen, you'll still need it here. And lastly, any medications you need to keep with you. If you're a guy and you like to keep it simple, you probably don't need much more than this. But if you're a girl and you've got your beauty routine, don't forget those extra products. I know some of you are super picky about your skincare routine, and I get it. Skincare products can be different from country to country, and if you're used to a certain product on your face, don't risk switching things up right before your move. Bring those products along so you're not stuck trying to find something new in a new country. Now, a few things you might not think but will definitely need. Maybe a few bags for daily use on campus. I'm talking a sturdy backpack for books and your laptop, a tote bag for when you're heading to the library, and maybe even a smaller cross bag for when you don't want to carry too much. I know I'm not the only one that wants options. Next, an umbrella. The UK is known for its rain, so you'll want to be prepared. And hey, if you're feeling homesick already, pack a few snacks from your home. It will help. And for those who are already in the UK, drop your favorite snacks that you cannot seem to find in the UK. Lastly, don't stress too much about overpacking. A lot of things you might be stressing about, like household items or last minute bits and bobs, can easily be bought once you're here. And honestly, household stuff in the UK is pretty reasonably priced, so no need to bring everything. Focus on the essentials, and if you realize you missed something, you'll be able to pick it up easily when you arrive. Alright, that's your ultimate packing checklist. Hopefully, you're feeling a bit more ready for the big move now. If I missed anything important, or if you've got any packing tips of your own, drop them in the comments, and I want to know what you really missed from your home. For me, it was mooncakes, but to each his own. Am I right? So if you found this video helpful, give it a like and can't wait to see you settle in. I'll catch you in the next one.